Gal Gadot is about to become the #1 action star in the world with her role in Wonder Woman. Here's what you need to know about her before she becomes a household name. Gadot was born in 1985 in Israel. At age 18, she won the Miss Israel competition and went on to compete in Miss Universe. She then put her modeling career on hold to serve her mandatory 2 years in the Israel Defense Forces. Her time as a soldier would later help her land a role in the Fast and the Furious movies. After her time in the Army ended, she started studying law. She was then approached by a casting director to audition for a role in Quantum of Solace. The part ultimately went to Olga Kurylenko, but it got her foot in the door. In 2007, she would land her first role on the Israeli TV series Bubot. The same casting director who almost got her a role in James Bond found her another huge franchise. She was cast as Giselle in 2009's Fast and Furious. She starred in 3 more entries alongside Vin Diesel and The Rock. Gadot's combat training and weapons expertise impressed director Justin Lin and led her to be cast in the series. It also didn't hurt that she's a motorcycle fanatic in real life. And then she got the role of a lifetime. Gadot landed the part of Wonder Woman in 2016's Batman vs. Superman: Dawn of Justice. At the time, she didn't even know she was auditioning for the role because DC wanted to keep the film top secret. She was actually considering quitting acting just before she got the gig, but then she got a call from director Zack Snyder.
Zack called me 2 days later and he's like, I don't know if you have this character in Israel, if she's big or not, but did you ever hear about Wonder Woman? I was like...
Even though she had limited screen time, Gadot's performance was lauded, despite the film receiving poor reviews overall. Gadot has the makings of the next great action star. Like other huge action leads Tom Cruise and Keanu Reeves, she performs many of her own stunts. As these behind-the-scenes videos show, she'll school you in anything from jiu-jitsu to kickboxing. When she's not kicking butt on the big screen, she's being funny and charming on late-night appearances and press junkets, which is arguably more difficult than complex fighting scenes. Gadot's plenty busy on the side as well. She has 2 daughters with her husband Yaron Versano, a real estate developer. Their second daughter was born March 2017, just months before Wonder Woman was set for release. With the standalone Wonder Woman, Gadot will get to prove her ability to carry a film, a rare and much-needed female-led superhero film, on her own. We think she'll have no problem with the task at hand.